So guys, this is the part 2. Definitely didn't just do the part 2 like 3 seconds ago. No, definitely didn't
Part
do the
2 seconds ago. What?
What? Okay, so we're back here. Definitely, yeah, okay. And we're gonna try to finish this again, because this is the hardest part. Okay, ready? Use your speed to go up and just look. Okay, you remember, keep your balance like this. Okay, jump right here. Right here.
Oh my gosh!
Yes. Now take your time. If I fall.
If any of us fall, I wish there was checkpoints. Oh, hold up, we're almost at the end.
We're at the end. 15 minutes.
Oh my gosh, 15 minutes, bro. Hold on. Oh wait, there's 2 different waves.
Yeah, they're both the same.
Oh.
Whoa!
Please be easy.
What
Whoa. This is cool.
the stairs? I got stuck.
Does this kill me? Let's see. I don't want to test if this is gonna kill me.
I don't want to test. I don't stop. If I die and restart this whole thing. I don't really. Yeah, me too. I don't want to test it. I'm probably gonna test.
Yeah, so what if it does to it?
Yeah,
What if
I'm
it was
probably.
like the lava though? Oh!
What?
If
I see.
just don't get squished, okay?
Okay. Run!
You almost got squished.
I'm fixing my carpet. Hey!
That's not good, bro.
I'm not risking. I hate these.
Oh, a minute. Oh.
What's this?
Hold on. Yeah. No.
I'm coming back. Don't fall. Oh, wait.
I think I know that.
Oh.
Okay, we made it.
I guess this is an instant one. Yo, we're cracked.
Oh, we're easy, bro.
I like this. Oh no, remember this. It falls. It will fall if you stay on it too long. Just jump on, come on.
Oh, I do not like that.
Okay, just wait for it to reset. Yeah, come.
Nah, I'm good, bro.
Don't know if that one does or not. Does that? If I fall right here.
Oh, we're almost at the end.
Over here.
This way. Yeah.
We finished that one in 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
This one was easier than the UFO one.
Yeah, all these levels are actually really, really good.
No. You can come up this way, but
I hate lasers. I
think we all hate the lasers.
I always hit the lasers. This is why I've been training for this part.
What if we just go like or what if we just jump over? Yeah.
Where are we going? I feel like we're just doing a loop. We're not doing just a loop. Come on, don't die. Bro, I'm not even taking my time.
Oh, bro, what are we saying? Oh my gosh. Oh, why don't we go down here? Yeah, why don't we go down here? Wait. Okay, walk in. Oh my gosh, I did not see that.
Yo! Don't get too excited. Don't get too excited.
Oh no.
Don't get too excited. Up.
What's that moving glacier?
Look at that. It's sneaky. Sneaky LeBron. I'm
can't hit
hungry. Woo! Oh, they don't damage you that much. Just still try not to hit them.
Okay.
I hit one. They don't damage you that
Oh
much.
yeah, they do like a sliver, like not too
Yes.
much.
So I'm actually kind of rushing now. I don't think I should have done that. Yo, I think I'm cooking too hard. I'm coming.
Awesome.
Woo! Okay.
Oh, God, over here.
Try not to hit it much. Like, try only hit it like.
Yeah, try.
Oh,
Don't
I
try
hit it.
not to hit it.
Yeah, act like it's gonna kill
I
you.
hit it twice so far.
Me too. Okay, down here. I feel like did we go that way? We went to that. This is hardest level. It's even like it. Not the lasers or that.
It's amazing.
Hit it 3 times.
Me too, bro. I just hit that one too. The exact same as you did. Oh, ow. Bro, you didn't step on them so it can like knock you into a wall and stuff.
I'm confused right now.
Me too, bro.
I don't know the wrong way. Wait! Oh!
Wait, watch out for the
Yo, come up! Oh, we just found it. We found it! Oh,
Oh,
that's why.
God.
Oh, this is so much easier. Oh,
Oh, shoot.
if we hit it once, we're dead. Whee! I'm not risking it. Oh!
I did it! Just waiting on you now.
I'm so scared. I'm just whisking.
Get up, quick.
Yes!
Ready?
This is actually so fun. This is the funnest, best
We're
update
doing
ever.
so good, bro.
This is the best update ever. What's this?
Oh,
You are a
like
shining
this.
star.
we spent 22 minutes on this so far.
22 minutes. Huh?
I fell. Hold on. You are a shining star. Hold on. How did we even make it?
What are these? Wait, we made it! Wait, we're done! We're done! No, we're actually done! We're done! Just make it up this and we're done! Oh!
No way! Ready? Ready?
3, 2, 1.
2, 1.
Yo! Let's go!
Yo! Let's go!
Oh, let's go! Ah.
Ready? Right here.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yo! Back!
Wait,
Yo,
go.
guys.
You have my sun hat on.
You too!
That's cool.
What?
You ready? So it should be.
It's right here.
Here.
Back home.
Let's go. We're back! Oh!
Yes.
Oh my god.
This is crazy.
Oh! Tong tong tong.
Dong 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 Zyrula. Dong dong dong.
What
I
should
know.
we get?
Finally, actually, guys, we finally beat it. It was so fun. Like, it was
Yeah,
so
that
fun,
was
guys.
really fun.
That's the best update
Yeah.
ever. Like, you should keep making those kinds of updates. Really fun. Ah! What the? Okay, so join my fan code and like and subscribe.